Today we're going to talk about the immigration court process. But before that, I have to talk a little bit about USC here. One thing, USC are Trojans, which means if you're looking for someone to help you on immigration, Trojan's a good place to start. We're warriors. Right on. There are some startling facts about immigration court that you should know. Here's the first one. In the immigration court, there's more or less about 350,000 cases per year in immigration court. You talk about an overload. That's an overload. Look, and 90% of the cases in there, that means you either win or lose, and it's over. Now, earlier I had spoken to you briefly about immigration appeals. Well, that means only about 10 cases go to appeal, meaning that people aren't challenging. Why? Well, there's a statistic here that's very relevant here. 57% of the individuals that go to immigration court do not have an attorney. Immigration law is complicated. For someone to go 57%, that's almost like guaranteed 57% are going to lose. It is so complicated. 57% of the individuals that go to immigration court do not have attorneys. That's a startling statistic. That's almost a recipe for disaster. Immigration law is so complicated. To go there without an attorney is you're almost ensuring disaster. 1,243 cases per judge per year. That's a statistic that just came out about 2 weeks ago by the American Bar Association. That's startling. You're a judge. You work 50 weeks a year, 5 days a week, okay? You have 1,243 cases a year. That's an outrageous number of cases to listen to. On the average, studies have shown that judges only have 15 minutes per case to make a decision on the record. That's no time at all. To explain why they're either denying someone a green card and deporting them back to their home country, or explaining why they're going to rule in that person's favor, 15 minutes per decision. Doesn't do justice. And what this is showing is that the immigration process is very, very overpacked, overcrowded, and there are some serious things that we need to do to fix that. So, I suggest very strongly consult with qualified legal counsel. And if you win, maybe down the line someday, I'll see you at a naturalization swearing-in ceremony when you become a U.S. citizen. Or maybe at the voting poll someday. Thank you very much. Look forward to seeing you again next week.